Hey everybody, Jandareview, and we're back at Sherman RV in Sherman, Mississippi. Now before we get started, I'd like to say a big thanks to Sherman RV for allowing us to do this video. So for all your sales, service, and accessories, you just give Sherman RV a call. I'll get it all out in a minute. And also, if you're ever here at Sherman RV and it's about lunchtime and you're looking for a place to go eat, hey, our choice, go to New Albany downtown and go to the Vintage Market. I'm telling you, tell them that you saw this on J&A and have a great lunch. I mean, they are absolutely fantastic. So let's get started with this 2022 Dutchmen Aspen Trail LE. Model number is 29BB. The length on this travel trailer is 33 feet 10 inches. The dry weight is 6,300 and that hitch weight is 807. Now remember now to stick around. At the end of the video we're going to do our hit and miss. So you want to stick around and listen to that. All right, go right ahead.
Okay, well we're going to start right up here at the very beginning. This is going to have a power tongue jack. Your two 20-pound propane bottles are going to sit right behind it. Right down here is where your battery is going to mount. Coming around, let's show you the pass-through storage. You see it has a really nice size storage. There's your power cord right there.
All right, there's your black and gray tank dumps right there in a very good location. And your city water connection is right above it.
This is going to have one slide out. As you can see, it's the Aspen Trail LE. Coming to the back, here's where your power is going to plug in.
This is a 30 amp unit, so it's got one AC.
Is, your satellite cable in hookup.
Yep.
Coming to the back, you've got your spare. You do have storage here at the back.
That is nice.
Which is very, very nice. If you can see, that is a really nice big storage. This is prepped for a Furrion backup camera. It's coming on around. This is going to have two doors.
Yep.
You've got two entrances. The awning on this, I think, is 18 feet. You can see your outside speakers. That was Randy. Okay, well.
And he also has electric stabilizers.
Does have electric stabilizers. This particular unit does not have the solid steps. However, those can easily be upgraded if that's what you choose. Let's show you the pass-through.
That way you got a good idea.
Yes, you can see all the way through it. Excellent.
All right. This camper looks great on the outside. Let's check out the inside. 29.
Okay, when you come into this Aspen Trail, when you come around, one of the first things you're going to come to is your entertainment center. Now your TV is going to mount right up here.
Yes.
And of course there's all your hookups. There is your controls for your speakers. Now this one does come with I believe this is a 30-inch fireplace, electric fireplace. Perfect for when you've got a little bit cooler time. And it even has some surprise storage back here behind your entertainment center.
Very nice.
And there's your fuses down there. So that is a great use of space. Moving on around to the kitchen. This is going to have a Greystone microwave.
Yep.
A little bit smaller, but you can see you've got, it'll work. You have your Greystone vent and your Greystone three-burner
cooktop with no oven.
With no oven.
It's just got a
okay. We were surprised. We were expecting an oven.
But we do have lights on it.
But it does have really cool lights, and you do have your three burner. But that's a nice storage door.
Yes.
Okay. You have a nice window right here. It does not open, but it does give you some really good, it's attached.
Oh, sorry.
It gives you some really good natural light.
Let's open these cabinets.
Up here.
All right.
You've got good cabinets up here.
Some right there.
Yes.
Very nice.
And your sink is angled here in the corner. It's a nice large single bowl sink. You got some storage down below it.
All right. Nice down there.
Yes.
And then 1, 2, and 3 drawers.
3 drawers. So those are nice and convenient. That's nice that they're between your sink and your stove. That's a good place. Coming around.
Here is your controls for your one Dometic 15,000 BTU air conditioner.
Yes.
And then, wow, we just had this on for a little bit and it's already cooled down.
Already cool. That's the great thing about these 12-volt refrigerators. They cool off very fast.
Very nice.
Right here, you're going to see you have a very nice, large U-shaped dinette. This will convert into a couple of different things. We'll show you some pictures. If you don't want to use the U-shaped dinette, you can take the little bench across the back out and you have your traditional booth. And like other dinettes, this will make into a sleeping area.
Yep. And I forgot to turn the light on.
And you have a light above it. This is also a bunk area, so let me turn you right on around. Right back here, you're going to have a jackknife sofa. This will fold down. We'll show you what that looks like.
Even with the curtains pulled also.
Yes, for some privacy. And these also have recliners on each side.
Oh yeah.
Just like that.
Love it.
Now, if you have smaller kids and you don't want an actual separate bunk room, this does have 2 bunks right back here. Do we have the measurements on those?
They were 72 long.
Yes, and
I don't know, but we'll sure do it.
We'll measure them so we can give you a general idea.
Looks like 41 inches wide.
41 inches wide, 72 long.
Yes.
Yes. So this would be great for your kids. The top bunk has got a weight limit of 300. Not real sure what the bottom is, but it's probably going to be a little more than that. Right over here in the corner, you've got some storage. Your controls are going to be on this panel also. There's just a little more storage down there. Right, and again, these curtains will close for a little extra privacy there.
Yes.
So all of your extra sleeping area is going to be toward the back of your camper. All right, let's head in the other direction.
All right. All right.
This is going to have a pass-through bathroom. Right up here, you're going to have a little medicine cabinet.
Okay. It's really nice.
A nice sink. And I like that they gave you some extra counter space here. A little bit of storage there.
Yep.
Little shelf right there. You've got a foot flush toilet. Got a shower. Your vent fan is going to be out there. This one does not give you a skylight, so it's not going to be quite as tall, but if you're about 6 feet tall, you shouldn't have any issues at all.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's move in here into the bedroom.
All right.
This has a nice wide opening going into the bedroom, so that makes it feel very open.
Now this bed is going to be a
It's going to be more of a camp queen.
camp queen.
It is 78 long and 60 wide.
Yes.
However, you can see a
You've got
standard
room.
queen will easily fit here.
Yes.
I believe there's storage under here.
Yes.
Yes.
There we go.
Got some storage there. We have wardrobes on both sides.
Yeah.
There.
Just their standard wardrobes on each side.
There's some electrical plug-ins. And you've got electrical on this side. And your TV hookup is going to be right up there, so your backer board should be
Right in there.
right
yeah.
in that area, right above the window there. All right. This unit does not have a second air,
Yeah.
but it does have ducts up there. So
Yes.
So you can get your airflow through there.
All right, folks. Well, it's time to give you our hit and miss. So here we go. All right. It's time for the hit and miss. So I'm going to go ahead and give you my hit for this camper. I think it's this hidden storage. This is just awesome. It's tucked in, out of the way. I think it's awesome. It's got the little lips on here that stuff won't fall off.
I mean, show them how deep it is.
I mean, yes, it's deep. I love this. I love it.
Well, I'm going to kind of piggyback off of your hit because I like how open it is in here. You don't have an extra wall or anything dividing your space up, so you have really good flow and good floor space in here.
Yeah.
All right. So, what do you think is a miss?
To me, I think it's going to be not having solid steps.
Yes.
I kind of like, I don't really mind the fold-up steps on the bedroom side,
Right.
but I really would love to have the solid steps here.
I agree with that, and I have one more thing that I personally was a little surprised. We're going to go right back through here, that they didn't give you any overhead storage in the bedroom. There's a lot of space up there that could be utilized.
Because these are almost 7-foot ceilings.
Yes, these are very, very tall ceilings in here. All right, well, there they are. That's a hit and a miss on this. Feel free to give us a comment. Tell us what you think. Tell us if you think we're right. Be nice if you think we're wrong. And just let us know what you think.
And if you like this travel trailer, just give them a call here at Sherman RV in Sherman, Mississippi. And go ahead and tell them that you saw this on Jandareview. And also remember, if you ever at Sherman RV, go and see the Vintage Market and have lunch in downtown New Albany. You will not regret it. So thanks again, everybody.